We'll get there someday.
We'll get there someday.
Whoa. Ah. Oh, we'll have to walk that one off. Are we there yet?
Not quite. Got a ways to go.
I do believe we're almost there. Hey there, Tall Man Clan. Today we are doing something really special. As you all know, we're on the road again, and we are in Cookeville, Tennessee. We are in the Cummins State Park, and Lisa and I, say hi.
Hi.
We are hiking through a gorge to head to some waterfalls. And so we thought we'd take you guys with us, and you could see how beautiful it is here in Cookeville, specifically here at the Cummins State Park. So we hope you enjoy the video, and oh my good Lord, let the hiking begin. So as we get walking to the gorge here, I will tell you, for those faint of heart, this is very physically challenging. So please beware of that. We are hiking through the woods, up and down steep inclines, rocks, tree roots, all kinds of things. So it is a very physically demanding location. And so if you're not up for a hike, this might not be the outing for you. So we just, it's hard to tell with the video. You can see some people behind us there. We just went down, now we're climbing back up. So we'll see you a little bit further in. We'll get there someday.
We'll get there someday.
I'm not sure if y'all can hear it in the video, but I'm hearing some water. All right, this elevator's going down. Wow. Wow. Boy, I sure hope the camera is doing this some justice. Look at that. Wow. That is stunning. Wasn't that amazing? Oh my Lord. I can't wait to get down there. That was what was called the Overlook. And so it's a pretty quick hike to get there. It's still a little rugged, but you get just beautiful views from up on top of the waterfall. So now we're hiking down the gorge to get down to water level. And I think it's about another 1.5 mile hike to get down there. So Something like that. Anyway, wow, let's get back to the journey. Did I say we're hiking down? No, it is a mountain. I guess sometimes you gotta go up to go down. Don't want to slip and fall that way. Straight down. About a third of the way down, and there's more up than down going down. So we pause to sort of stand here and look at this. Another sort of look down. I'm not sure if y'all can see it, but there's some people down there walking around and stuff, but we just wanted to take a little break, right?
Definitely.
Hello. Are you the gatekeeper? We'll follow Lisa. It's all downhill from here. My legs are killing me. Was the water fun?
Yeah.
Awesome. They did say rigorous. Right? Yeah, last few steps of the hills. What was that?
The last few steps are not here. This is the steps.
The last few steps of the hills.
Is this where we're supposed to cross?
We don't cross, we have to go that way. All right, so we made it to the bottom. We're not at the waterfall yet. We still have to walk all the way through this to get there. Now, note, this is not something you want to do barefooted. It's not something you won't even want to do really in water shoes because these rocks are slippery. So wear tennis shoes that you don't mind being destroyed because they're about to get really wet. So we have a few more feet of path that we can take, but after that it's in the water. you guys cross over just further up there? Did you guys cross over just up there?
Yeah, we did. We crossed over down on the other side. We stay on this side as far as we can because otherwise it's super hot
Is it?
on that side. Yeah, you
All right.
can go quite a ways on this side.
All right.
Appreciate it. Thank you.
Stay on this side as long as possible, so.
That's what the girl said.
Are we there yet?
Not quite. Got a ways to go.
So, we could be hiking on the other side, like that, or even in the water. You can just walk through the water. But we're trying to stay in the shade as much as possible. It's in the mid-90s today. And as we've previously mentioned, this is a rigorous climb. And so conserving as much energy and not overheating is part of the plan. So we're kind of trying to just stay in the shade as much as possible. All right, we've come to the end of our journey. So, over here I think we'll be fine. We can't cross up there. Well, we could, but it'd be more dangerous. Ultimately, it ends us down here anyway.
Now be very careful because this is less traveled road.
Yes,
So it will be a lot more slippery.
yes. So we're gonna go that way to go around because it's the shallowest there. Oh yeah, right here. Well, it certainly is refreshing. Oh yeah, slippery. All right, so I think we're gonna take a little break. We'll be back at you in just a second. All right, so we're about halfway there. Oh my gosh, so far, what do you think?
I'm out of breath, but I'm loving every minute of it. It's gorgeous, absolutely gorgeous.
It is, as they say, it is rigorous. So if you have any physical impediments and it just beware before you come down here. There's a shortcut. We're gonna take the shortcut back. And so if it's not as bad, we'll of course let you know. But the path that we took here, yeah, it's
Challenging.
challenging is a good word. So
Especially when you're wearing wet sneakers that suddenly feel about 10 pounds heavier than they did before you went through the river.
yeah, again, don't bring water shoes, guys. The rocks are just way too slippery for water shoes. Yeah, good sneakers that, good bad sneakers.
Sturdy bad sneakers.
Yeah. All right. Well, for you it'll be just a second, but we're going to take a quick break and then we're going to finish. Get to the falls. Whoa. Oh, we'll have to walk that one off. Sure sounds like it's getting louder. I do believe we're almost there. Oh, what? What? He growls at me and smiles at you. What's wrong with that? All right, everyone. We're almost there. I don't know if you can hear the falls, the volume, but the big payoff is right around the corner here. So I'm gonna see if we can get up here and at least get you a little sneak peek. Ready? Look at that. Isn't that awesome? Oh my Lord. That is awesome. We haven't even gotten to the hard part yet. Hard part's still to come, so I'm actually going to put the camera away and have both my hands for climbing. We've got some climbing to do. We'll see you at the falls. How was it? Did you touch the bottom?
Huh?
Did you hit the bottom?
No. Not even close.
Nice. Good job. Well, Tall Man Clan, we made it. We're at the base of the falls. It was a heck of a climb, but we made it up here. All right, there. That's where we came from, down there. All right, all through there. But the payoff is amazing, y'all. If you can physically handle the challenge, you got to do this. It's absolutely amazing. Absolutely. We're gonna get a little bit closer here. Everything's a little bit slippery, but we'll get up real close for y'all. Look at that. Isn't that amazing? Look at that. Oh my God. Woo! Absolutely amazing. And we're right here to reach. Oh, that's slippery. That's slippery. Well, that's about it, y'all. We're gonna put the phone away and go do some swimming. So if you're in Tennessee, close to Cookeville, come to the Cummins State Park and come check out the falls. Absolutely beautiful. Take care, and everybody, be safe.